Confused about what to do after 12th? Think beyond the usual careers. Explore 140 plus exciting new age careers that are shaping the future, from AI to space tech, ethical hacking, and so much more. In this session, we will talk about careers of 2030, which I call as new age careers. I shall also talk to you about current degree options available in higher education, and I will give you a snapshot of 140 plus new age future careers across 18 verticals. What do we mean by careers of 2030? Well, careers of 2030 refers to the emerging and evolving professions that are expected to be in high demand by the year 2030. These careers are shaped by rapid technological advancements, changing economic landscapes, and evolving societal needs. Some key factors driving these future careers include artificial intelligence, automation, sustainability, space exploration, and human centric professions. What are the current degree options in higher education? As you all know, University Grants Commission, which is the controlling body of higher education in India, has divided higher education in 16 broad verticals. And within those 16 broad verticals, there are 58 degree nomenclatures. So you might have heard degrees like a BA, BCom, BBA, BSc, BFA, BPA, and so on. These are all different degree nomenclatures. Within these nomenclatures, if you look at specializations, there are 600 plus common specializations. And if I add some new age specializations as well, the number goes as high as 850 plus. Now let's talk about new age degree options for future careers. I shall talk to you about 18 higher education verticals, which include agricultural sciences, architecture and planning, arts, humanities, social sciences, business management, commerce and finance, computer applications, design fine arts, economics, engineering and technology, hotel management, law, liberal arts or liberal studies, mass communication or mass media, medicine and surgery, paramedical sciences, pure sciences, rehabilitation sciences, and sports and physical education. Across these 18 verticals, I shall give you some pick up new age verticals which are going to be the futuristic careers. Starting with agricultural sciences, you have careers like apiculture, aquaculture or pisciculture, floriculture, hydroponic or aquaponic farming, mariculture or marine farming, ornamental horticulture, and vegan farming. If you look at the traditional careers in agricultural sciences, it was limited to agriculture, horticulture, forestry, home science, community science. But with these new age futuristic careers, both the demand as well as the option and variety is enhancing and increasing day on day. Looking at architecture, after doing architecture, traditionally you could only be an architect, be it of residential projects, commercial projects, maybe hospitals, maybe some religious institutions. But now, after doing architecture, you could become a data scientist, a data analyst. You can work as an extreme architect, that is the person who is developing residential and safe residences in extreme climates. You can become a green and a smart architect. You can also become an immersive reality modeler. VR or VS, that is virtual simulation or virtual reality, is again becoming part of architecture very strongly. And last but not the least, you can get into becoming a haptic interface designer. Coming to futuristic careers in arts, humanities, and social sciences, you can become an archivist, a career psychometrist, data linguistic, development planner, language interpreter or a researcher, political expert or a security agent, international relations specialist. Futuristic careers in business management may include dairy and cooperative management, facility management, hospital or hospitality management, industrial or infrastructure management, oil and gas or alternate energy management, port or logistics management, and rural market management. Future careers in the area of commerce and finance may lead you to become an actuarial scientist, data and statistical analyst. You can work in e-commerce or as an investment banker, a portfolio manager, a public accountant, or you can work in stocks, mutual funds, or as a securities trader. Future careers in computer applications may include application design, artificial intelligence, automation, blockchain, cloud computing, cryptography, computer forensics. It also includes digital or social media marketing, ethical hacking and cybersecurity, e-gaming or game designing, full stack engineering, machine learning, robotics, search engine optimization or search engine marketing, and UI or UX design. Futuristic careers in design and fine arts may include becoming a 3D technologist, an animator, computational designer, a game designer, a set or an exhibition designer, a communication designer, a vehicle or a transportation designer, and again a UI and a UX designer. Few new age careers you might find in multiple verticals. This means that through multiple channels you can reach to become one of those professionals. Futuristic careers in economics could lead you to become a data analyst, a data mining expert, a big data analyst, risk analyst, investment analyst, or a political economist. Some of the futuristic areas within the domain of engineering and technology may include armament and weaponry, automation and blockchain, bioelectronics, conservation, GIS and GPS, micro and nanoelectronics, and surface coating technology. Careers in the area of hotel management, which are new and upcoming, include event management, facility management, food dietetics. You can become a home chef, a home baker, a nutritionist, or a sports manager. Futuristic careers in law. Since you all know, law is becoming more and more complex. Same is the litigation. So people are moving towards futuristic areas like animal rights, alternate dispute resolution, complex litigation, cyber law or blockchain, healthcare, intellectual property law or patent law, and sports and entertainment law. Some areas within the domain of liberal studies which are futuristic may include becoming a fashion psychologist, a music therapist, a music coder, political economist, a political psychologist, a rural marketer, or a social or environmental or a political critique. Future careers in mass communication may include social media marketing, digital communicator, a YouTuber, a digital journalist, blogger, or a podcaster. Future careers in medicine and surgery include robotic surgery, sports injury specialization, lifestyle medicine physician, cancer immunologist, medical virtualist, nocturnist, infectious disease expert, fetal medicine, molecular pathology, emergency medicine, geriatric medicine, immunology and rheumatology, and interventional radiology. In paramedical sciences, you can get into areas like anesthesia specialist, cardiovascular specialist, or a critical care consultant, dialysis, exercise and sports technician, medical record, neuroscience, nuclear medicine, perfusion, radiotherapy, respiratory, and trauma care expert. Future careers in performing art may include becoming an ethnomusicologist, a music therapist, a YouTuber, an instrumental composer, a contemporary dancer, a traditional, advanced, or a multi instrument player. In pure sciences, you can get in space sciences, which may include areas like astrobiology, astronomy, or astrophysics, getting into biomedical, environmental science, food and agricultural science, genetics, or virology are again list of some futuristic careers within the domain of pure sciences. In rehabilitation sciences, you can become a body part maker, a clinical psychologist, a child psychologist, a mental health expert, a lifestyle therapist, or a physical therapist. In sports and physical education, one can become an adventure guide, fitness instructor, health educator, physical therapist, sports manager, or a sports psychologist. A last important point, there are few future skills which shall be required for any professional working in the industry under any educational vertical. The list goes in a way that you need to be expert with basic computer skills, good with your communication and presentation skills. You should be comfortable solving complex problems. Your ideas need to have originality because we all know the world is moving towards artificial intelligence. You need to have fluency of ideas and your brain should be active on both de-learning and relearning ability. Don't miss out on these game-changing career options. Hit the like and subscribe button and also turn on the notifications to stay ahead.